Hi there, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who may not know me, hi, I'm Fee. Nice to meet you. If you are returning, then welcome back. Love to have you over here. So if you clicked on this video, you're interested primarily in what item I'm going to be unboxing from Louis Vuitton in this video. So stay tuned and stick around. The date of this upload, you'll see this video sometime in December. We're already deep into the winter months. It's getting cold, it's getting windy, but I picked this item up back in October. So it's, to be honest, it's still kind of got the bow on it right now. So I'm gonna take the bow off, take the ribbon off, and show you the item. So the item that I'm going to be sharing with you and unboxing with you today is the Louis Vuitton Pearl Gray Logomania scarf. So it's a long rectangle scarf that is composed of wool and I guess a small percentage of silk. I'll insert some clips that I will screen capture from the website. But essentially it's this nice kind of thick material. It's wool, it's pearl gray, and what I love about it, to be honest with you, inside it's a lighter shade of gray with the monogram, and on the other side it's a darker shade of gray with almost, it looks like a different texture. Like it still has the monogram, but it's like dotted and pebbled. It has a little bit more texture. So this scarf in particular comes in 3 different colors. I have the pearl gray, but it also comes in a pink and a red. And the reason primarily why I wanted to do this unboxing was because I want to show you guys some of the affordable, or should I say more affordable, items that you can get from Louis Vuitton that may not necessarily be a handbag or may not necessarily be like a leather good or a small leather good. And I feel like this is one way to incorporate like practical luxury into your wardrobe. So this scarf is composed of 94% wool and 6% silk, and it is a rectangle shape, and it retails from Louis Vuitton, I'm looking at the receipt right here, for $455. And it's a clothing item, so they don't tax it here in Jersey. So if you are ordering this online and shipping it to a different state, or if you're buying it in a different state than New Jersey or anywhere where they tax, just factor in a little bit of tax. Another reason why I wanted to share this unboxing of this item on my channel is because as I was looking through other YouTube reviews of this scarf, I saw a lot of people like sharing this scarf, but I was kind of a little bit more interested in seeing like, how would you personally wear this scarf? What would you wear it with? How would you wear it? How would you fold it? Like, I don't know, if you're gonna buy something that's, you know, a little bit more expensive and a little bit more like of an investment, I want you to give me a little bit more and convince me to buy the item, right? So that's also what I want to show you guys today. I'm gonna insert some clips and I want to show you how I would personally style this scarf. So I want to give a little bit of a disclaimer. My head may be chopped off in portions, but I want you to focus primarily at the mirror and like at the scarf. So I want to just show you maybe 3 or 4 ways, maybe 5 ways of how I would wear this scarf and how you may see some of the, you know, pics on the gram for this scarf. So this is one way of how I would wear this scarf. I would wear this scarf exactly like this, just kind of casually with some jeans and a blazer. And I would play with the fact that a blazer kind of has like some open space in the top, and I would want the detail, maybe a little bit of like pleating, to come and pop through this open area, like in the chest area and the neck and chest area. It's still gonna keep you warm because the scarf is like laying, you know, on your skin, on your neck. But it just gives it a little bit more detail. It's like a peekaboo. If you want, you could open up the jacket, let the scarf kind of hang like this. It's still casual, keeps you warm, all that jazz. That's one way. Another way So So to start off, I folded this scarf in half twice vertically, and then I wrapped it around my neck, and I placed one side over my shoulder and let that kind of drape out, and I placed the next side behind my shoulder, and I kept it kind of like pleated, kept it folded. And I think this is a very like interesting, eye-catching way to wear this scarf because it got a little bit of drama in the front, a little bit of action in the back, and it isn't that bulky around your neck because you folded it pretty thin. So this is another way that I would wear it. All right, so I'm swapping out the blazer for this like pink moto jacket just to, you know, switch up the vibe. I feel like the blazer was very on the formal. I'm dressing it down, whereas now I'm doing a little bit more on the casual and dressing it up a little bit. So same thing, t-shirt, jeans, jacket. Here's another way of how I would style this scarf. So I would only fold it in half one time, and then I would drape one side longer than the other. Like kind of twist it, wrap around my neck. Take the shorter side and kind of like tuck it underneath that loop. Now take the remaining side that we kept long and drape it over my shoulder, because now what we just did is we just created this like cozy pocket to keep our neck warm. But it's interesting because how many people do you see wearing their scarf off of one shoulder? Not with it open, but with this jacket closed, if I keep it into place right here and it's just draping off of one shoulder, I'm just going about my business. I think this is a very like eye-catching way to wear this scarf. So this is another way that I would personally wear this scarf. To be honest, it's one of the basic like tried and true ways that we all know how to wear a scarf, you know, like kind of bunch it up around your neck and keep it long. But I would definitely want to emphasize like the detail. I want to, you know, get some pleat action happening. If you can get 3 pleats, more power to you. But I would just wear it long, keep my neck warm with some pleat action. Keep the shorter side and just kind of like pop it in and tuck it in. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got some inspiration of some ways that you can wear this scarf. And I hope if you decide to purchase this scarf, that you come back and tell me how your experience is going and how you like this scarf, and maybe tag me on Instagram and show me some ways that you're wearing your scarf. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also a thumbs down if you didn't like it, because it helps me to gauge how you feel about the video, how I could improve, things like that. If you do like the video, I encourage you to check out a couple more, and if you like what you see, then subscribe. If you are interested in getting the scarf for yourself, check out the Louis Vuitton website. I will also link it down below in the description. This is not an affiliate link, but I don't know if it's gonna be an affiliate link. If you are also interested in owning this scarf for yourself, then go ahead and check below in the description box. I can link it down there below for you guys, just like one click, easy access. I don't think it's gonna be an affiliate link, but I will definitely like, you know, shout that out and let you guys know if it is or if it isn't. But I overall want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I will catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye guys.